Like ice cream.
18.6. Let's go with 18.6 then. So. These 6 hours straight, non-stop. Oh my gosh!
I saw a tiny sleigh make its tiny way right across the sky.